What's up, guys? Dale with WIKD Tuned here. I'm here at the wrap shop, WIKD Wraps, and we're doing some work on the WIKD Z06. Obviously, this is Mark II of the Z06, does not have the Pro charger, so it still has the stock LT4 blower. You see our WIKD fan up in there. Will, what are we doing?
We're making this beautiful thing satin. We're gonna protect it, keep the aesthetics.
Yeah, so you heard him. We're doing the satin wrap. If you guys seen the first OG WIKD, it was satin. It was wrapped though. That we're doing satin PPF on this, so we're retaining the beautiful black metallic paint on it.
What is the most crucial step to step one before you wrap it?
Prep.
Prep?
Prep.
Okay, what does that include?
Well, it depends on the condition of the car. With this one, I noticed it's got some water spots pretty much all over it. It's got some adhesive left over on all the panels that we had to pull film off of.
Yeah.
So first step is going to be removing all the adhesive. Once we get all the adhesive off, we're going to detail it. We're going to clean it real well, get into all the cracks and crevices. All the dirt's on the car, we're going to try to get off.
Okay.
And then once it's done being prepped, we'll go panel by panel and get everything off.
What'd you just do?
So we just got done detailing it and prep washing it.
Yeah.
So we got all the dirt off the car. We went through, made sure that we're not going to have any debris sitting in or on the paint.
Okay.
We did a decontamination, we did an iron fallout removal, we did a clay bar to remove any contaminants that may have been embedded in the paint.
Okay.
Now we're going to go through, we're going to make sure that we can disassemble anything that we can in a safe and timely manner,
Okay.
so that we can try not to have any showing edges.
Yeah.
After we get that done, then we'll start doing our individual panel prep and throw some film on.
Sweet. All right, Dale, we're back at WIKD Wraps. It's been about a day. Tell us what we got.
Okay, so we've already detailed the C7. Got all the cracks and crevices dried up. We just installed, Austin and the team just installed the matte PPF onto the body.
It's looking pretty good.
I mean, we already did the fender also on that side. So yeah, rest of the body to go. I mean, we're getting closer and closer to the original WIKD C7.
Yeah.
I mean, it's obviously missing the F1X Pro charger, but look, we got our fan in.
WIKD fan.
You guys need a fan. I mean, these are notorious for overheating, so if you guys need a fan, we've made one specially for the C7. Check out our website. So yeah.
It is raining really loud.
Yeah.
But yeah, so really this is kind of what WIKD 1 looks like, kind of this front half. They still got quite a bit to go, but you know, we're getting there. It's a very long process. So
Yep. We're already on day 3, so
it looks good. Let's get in.
3 more days.
3 more days.
Yeah.
Let's get into it.
What up, guys? Dale with WIKD Tune here. We're back at the WIKD Wrap Shop. We're about, what, 80%? 70, 80% done?
So the only thing we've got left right now is we've got to do the front bumper, the rear bumper, the mirrors, and then after we get done with all that, we'll be QCing it, you know, popping bubbles, trimming edges, and then once we get done with that, we're going to throw a ceramic coating on top of it.
Oh yeah, so we got the PPF on. And then Austin said he's gonna do the ceramic coat on the PPF. Extra layer of protection.
Always.
Yes, sir. So you can see right now that satin PPF, satin, right?
Satin, matte. For most manufacturers, they're interchangeable.
So satin PPF is looking fire. Getting closer and closer to looking like the OG WIKD. So yeah, got the mirrors to do, right?
Yep. Still gonna do the mirrors.
We're not gonna do the vents, are we?
Not in satin. I'm probably gonna put gloss on them though.
Gloss on it, okay. Then the front
It'll-
bumper.
I'm trying to do all the aero pieces. We're gonna do all those in gloss. The carbon we did in gloss. Wings are already wrapped. These are already wrapped, and then I'll end up.
Wait, the
gloss on
vent
them.
is wrapped?
Yeah.
I thought it was painted.
It is painted, but it's also wrapped.
What?
I put gloss over it.
Okay. What? It's wrapped in PPF?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was like, wrapped another color?
Yeah, wings done too.
Okay, cool. Yeah. So, cinematics. Alright guys, so we just finished up on WIKD 2.0. So this looks exact replica as the first one, except it doesn't have a pro charger yet. So, you guys ready for it? We just finished all the PPF, we put all the body panels on it, and it looks fucking awesome. Check it out. I hope you guys liked the reveal. Stay tuned. We're going to be installing the Pro Charger F1X and everything else that will make WIKD 2 just like WIKD 1, but better. So check out our Instagram, our TikTok. Check out Mr. WIKD's Instagram and TikTok. All the updates right there and then are going to be on those social media pages. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, follow.